Whenever we start preparing for an exam, चाहे वो कोई भी exam हो, we are so full of energy and motivation. But जैसे जैसे time आगे गुजरता है, हमारी energy कम होती जाती है and the pressure it starts to build up. In fact, stress is the byproduct of your preparation. There can be multiple reasons for the stress. Some lengthy syllabus, the competition, low marks that you get in the test, family ka pressure hai, and many more. This pattern remains the same in almost every competitive exam. But if we talk about UPSC, 7 of the 10 aspirants they experience stress and the fear of poor performance. Also, according to Lokniti CSDS data, about a quarter of UPSC aspirants they know someone who has either harmed themselves or attempted to commit suicide due to that pressure. If stress is left unchecked, अगर आपने नहीं ध्यान दिया, it seriously can affect the preparation by leading to problems like lack of sleep, lack of focus, underconfidence, and many more such problems. But if you are able to manage it effectively, stress can actually enhance your productivity and it can increase the chance of your success. But despite being aware of the problem, no one really prepares you for the same. No one really prepares these aspirants also to deal with the stress. But to help you and to help develop a calm mind and resilient mind, LevelUp IAS is organizing a free stress management workshop on 16th of August with Sonali Ma'am. This session is exclusively for UPSC Civil Service aspirants. So if you want to be part of this session and if you want to take some help, you can register yourself and you can come for this session. This can really help you in reducing the stress that you have, the anxiety that you develop when you prepare for this exam. So I'm sure this session is going to be very helpful. Please register for it. Thank you.